Okay. Is it a girl you want to impress?
Nice question, but no, I don't have any girlfriends in Kuwait.
Because usually people do weight loss to impress a girl. Okay.
Actually, I don't have any girlfriends in Kuwait. As you know.
Hello guys, good morning. So today I am taking a new video to you guys. It is about interview of a guy who has lost approximately 8 kg in 4 weeks. That is 1 month. Okay. So I will ask what was his motive or what was his passion behind this weight loss. Okay. What was his strategy? What the food he followed? What the exercise? What the diet? Okay. So I will ask whether he did it naturally or he went for any keto diet or any kind of a special weight loss training. Hello Karthik. This is a Corona handshake from us. So as I have discussed with you that you have lost 8 kgs.
Yeah, I have lost 8 kgs.
So before I would like to start, first of all introduce yourself.
Hello guys, this is Karthik.
I wanted to take this guide to you people so that you will also get some motivation that weight loss is possible in so less time. Okay. So could you please tell our audience that what was your motive behind the weight loss?
Oh, actually, I was literally 70 kg when before 6 months. Literally, I was 70 kg, and actually, I was in office for more than 6-7 months. I didn't go out to the site to work physically hard, so I got immediate weight gain.
Oh, okay.
I went till 83, 84 and off within 6
God.
months.
So yeah, because as per your height, it should not cross that much.
After
Okay.
that, my cousins, everybody who is working with me, my colleagues, everybody criticize me. Hey Karthik, you are becoming mota, fat. So literally, then I would think that I have to reduce my weight immediately.
Okay. Is it a girl you want to impress as well?
Nice question, but no, I don't have any girlfriends in Kuwait. Actually.
Because usually people do weight loss to impress a girl. Okay.
Actually, I don't have any girlfriends in Kuwait. As you know, we can't make girlfriends in Kuwait actually.
Okay. What do you think? Staying fit and doing a weight loss and still staying fit is better for your lifestyle or is bad?
No, it's very better for the lifestyle. You will not be unhealthy. You will be physically fit. You can attract each other, attract anyone in this world. So physically maintaining is very good for health.
Oh, that's really nice.
Yeah.
And do you have any star? Do you follow any star for your weight loss or for your fitness? Like I start from YouTube, I start from Bollywood, Hollywood, or any fitness, anywhere from fitness industry.
No, actually, I don't have any guys like that as an example. But literally, I used to go to gyms when I was in childhood, like when I was studying in 12th standard or when I was in college lifestyles. I used to go for gym. When I came to work, I didn't get opportunity to go for the gym. So literally, my weight increases and my muscles get loose. So I think you are the guy who motivated me through your video. I think
He's telling me that I am the guy who was motivated. Okay, and did we meet?
actually I saw you in the beach. Actually, you are my client actually. So I saw you in the beach. You were running like that, and I saw your videos that you are doing physical workouts to reduce your weights, and I saw your that enthusiasm and your hard work to reduce the weight. So I saw your videos and I just followed that. Okay, let me also
So guys, mark my word, at least I motivated one of the guy. I don't know how many of the guys in the world will get motivation from my simple weight loss journey. Simple and in fun way. So one of the guy. Okay, thank you Karthik
Yeah,
for
it's
this.
okay, it's
For
okay.
it is really a big compliment for me. Okay. So Mr. Karthik,
Yeah.
as you told me that you have reduced 8 kg.
Yes.
So could you please tell what was your first weight, the initial weight when you started, and what is your current weight, and how much time you have reduced?
When I was started this, my initial weight was 84.6.
Loud.
84.6. So I was literally shocked but that my weight I have increased more than 14-15 kg. So I was thinking, so how I'm going to burn this much calorie to reduce my weight. So later I started little bit exercising and I just took some personal diet, so that I got now my weight is 74.6. So literally I have reduced more than 9 kgs.
Exactly.
Yeah, it is
From 84 to
74.6.
74.6. Exactly, it's around approx 10 kg.
Yeah.
Okay, 8 to 10 kg. Yeah. See, we all have the problem, like him, we all have this problem of weight gain because we start eating a lot of calories inside and we sit in the office whole day or whole night, whatever your working style, okay, or maybe you are just sleeping at home, no other work to do, so you will gain weight if you are not working out. So this was the same story of him. So did you follow, what did you do, you know, to reduce your weight? Any special diet, any special food, any special exercise?
No, I didn't.
What
follow,
did you do?
No, I didn't do any special things like that. Just I will wake up in the morning, and I'll just take some hot water with lemon, and I'll eat little bit of breakfast, and I will skip my dinner. Taking rice and chapatis and parotas is very unhealthy. It will be tasty, but it is very unhealthy.
See,
So we have to avoid all such things to get weight loss immediately.
so this is the good advice what he gave is skipping the dinner, you know, and also try to minimize your chapati and rice and rotis intake, you know, bread intake, because this all is the things that adds to your weight, you know, that gives a lot of weight gain. Okay, so any special tips or advice you want to give to youngster or maybe the old citizen who is trying to lose weight and is not getting the weight loss?
Actually, you can't achieve it immediately. Whatever things you take, even it will be a sports, it will be if you want to earn money, you can't achieve everything easily. The target, you have to fix a target to achieve it. So it will take some time. You have to focus on your job, and if you do, you will achieve it easily.
Exactly. You know, many of us think that okay, I have started weight loss, and in 1 month or maybe 2 months or maybe 1 week you want to look slim. It is not possible. You know, in your entire life, you know, you have given entire life to make this belly. You know, maybe a full of your life you have given to make the belly, and if you want to reduce it in 1 month or 2 months, it is not possible. So it depends on your you know, how much amount of fat you have stored and what kind of workout you are doing every day, okay, or what kind of work you are doing, okay. So we should be patient. We should be patient enough. We should be patient enough to just keep on working. Keep on working
Focus
on
on the
your goals.
job. That's it. No, it's not keep on working everything. Just if you are doing for 1 hour per day, it's enough. But you have to focus. Be focused. If you skip one day, the next day you will think, okay, yesterday we skipped. Okay, today also we'll skip. Tomorrow we'll do. No, not like that. You have to do every day. You have to achieve the target. So you have to keep some target as the thing. Okay, if you are measuring the weights today, Friday, and if you have to measure the weight next Friday, so that you have to achieve something. Even 100 grams, 200 grams, you have to make reduce. So
He's telling that take a target and be consistent. We are going to end this video on this point, okay, and we will bring more videos on similar topic and many other topics, okay.
yeah, literally.
So
If he is ready to pay me, I am ready to give more interviews to him.
okay, sure, we will pay. You know, a lot of YouTubers do paid promotions,
Yeah,
so
you
we should do
have-
it.
No, actually, I am openly, I'm just telling you that this guy didn't pay even a single money for this interview. So let me.
So not
check-
sponsored,
Let
okay.
me check whether he will pay me any check hereafter. Let me check and.
Okay, Karthik. So at the end of the video, do you want to ask any question from me? You know,
Yeah,
because
more. I have more questions from the people side actually.
okay.
How you are a YouTuber? You are starting a YouTube channel. Just you are editing and you are updating something just for a few minutes.
Okay.
Why should the people like us, me,
Yes.
why should we trust you? What you are doing? You will be telling, take this, you take that people, take this cucumber, take that orange. But if you go there outside and if you take chicken, mutton, everything, then what is the use?
Correct
How
question.
to trust you?
Yes, correct question. So he is very right, because a lot of people just come to you on a video and just say I am doing this and that, but they don't follow the instructions what he has given. So what his question is whether I follow. So first thing about my advice, you know, whatever advice I give, just I'm not telling you to just believe on it, but you can from your logical mind you can understand that yes, this guy is losing the weight from 76 kg. I am showing you on the weighing scale every day that I am losing, and you can see me, you know, it's here, you know, you can see my first video and you can see me here.